Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Every morning, a small ritual transforms my day, the rich aroma, the first sip of bliss. With the Ninja Pod and Ground specialty coffee maker, each brew is perfection. Classic, rich, or over ice, I choose my journey. And with the fold-away frother, my kitchen rivals any cafe. Experience this revolution, elevate your mornings, discover yours today.
Product 2.
In the heart of kitchen innovation, we've crafted the ultimate solution for pristine countertops. Meet your kitchen's new best friend, the Silicone Faucet Handle Drip Catcher Tray Mat. Designed for faster drying, safe, and made from 100% durable silicone, it boasts versatility that keeps your sink area dry and organized. Elevate your kitchen space effortlessly with this essential gadget. Keep your counters clean and tidy. Order yours today.
Product 3.
I've always struggled to find frozen treats that everyone in my family can enjoy. Store-bought options are often too sugary or not allergy-friendly. Enter the Ninja Creamy Swirl. This gadget has transformed our dessert nights. We can mix our favorite healthy ingredients, create delicious low-calorie ice creams, and accommodate everyone's dietary needs with ease. Ready to create your perfect treat? Experience delicious customization at home today.
Product 4.
Every morning coffee dictates my day. With the Keurig K Duo, enjoy a seamless routine. Picture this: a smooth, aromatic experience, single cup or a fresh carafe for friends. MultiStream technology ensures every sip offers full, robust flavor, hot or iced. The intuitive control panel makes it effortlessly user-friendly. Unlock versatility and embrace the joy of perfect coffee at home now.
Product 5.
Does anyone else have that one baking pan that's seen better days? Transform cooking disasters into triumphs with the innovative Hexclad bakeware collection. Been there, done that. These NutriChef baking pans are lit. No more guesswork, totally non-stick, easy clean. Yeah, that means no scrubbing, just vibe and bake. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Hit that link and level up.
Product 6.
Imagine slicing with precision and ease every time you step into your kitchen. With Cuisinart's 12-piece knife set, not only do you get professional quality blades, but also the safety of color coding to keep your food prep organized and contamination-free. Grab these vibrant, durable knives today and revolutionize your culinary adventure. Elevate your cooking experience by clicking the link and ordering now.